Hi everyone, and welcome back to Know for Knowledge. I'm your host, and today we're exploring something many people want to understand: how you can stay in the United States legally without citizenship. From visas to green cards and special programs, let's break it all down clearly and simply. Before we begin, let's quickly map out the three main legal ways people stay in the US: temporary visas, permanent residency options, and humanitarian or protected programs. Each path has its own rules, and today I'll explain them in the simplest way possible. Let's start with temporary or non-immigrant visas. These are for people who want to study, work, visit, or participate in exchanges. For example, F1 visas for students, H1B visas for skilled workers, J1 for exchanges, and B2 for visitors. Each visa has specific conditions. Some allow limited work, some don't. The key is to always follow the rules for your visa type. Now, if you want to stay long-term, the next step is permanent residency, known as the green card. You can get a green card through family sponsorship, employment, refugee or asylee status, or the diversity visa lottery. Each option has different requirements, but this is the most common path for people who want to settle permanently. Depending on where you are, your approval process may look different. If you're already inside the US, you might apply through something called adjustment of status. If you're outside the country, your process happens through a US embassy or consulate. Both lead to the same goal: legal permanent residency. Some people stay legally through humanitarian protections. These include asylum, temporary protected status or TPS, DACA for eligible childhood arrivals, and humanitarian parole for urgent situations. These programs exist to protect people facing danger or hardship. They're very specific, but they are real legal pathways. Now, something many people don't realize: having a visa doesn't always mean you can work. To work legally, you may need a work permit called an EAD. Students may get work authorization through OPT, and many protected statuses also include an EAD. Working without authorization can cause serious problems, so this step is important. No matter which path you choose, keeping your status valid is essential. File renewals on time, avoid unauthorized work, and watch out for immigration scams. When in doubt, always check official government websites or talk to a qualified immigration professional. If you need information, the best place to start is USCIS.gov for all immigration forms and updates. For visa categories and embassy details, visit travel.state.gov. And remember, many trustworthy legal aid organizations exist to help you understand your options. Thanks for watching Know for Knowledge. I hope today's guide made US immigration a bit clearer for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified, useful explanations. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only, not legal advice. See you in the next one.